Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on higher education, a paper, important paper in UGC NTA NET paper first. जी हाँ, हायर एजुकेशन से काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस पेपर फर्स्ट में पूछे जाते हैं. So let us directly come to the questions. Question number 1. When you put a question in the class to check the knowledge of students, the best method would be to A. Put more than one question at a time to stimulate students. B. Frame the question as lengthy as you can. C. To point to intelligent students first and then put the question. D. To pose the question to the whole class and then select somebody to answer. So comparatively, if you look at it, आपको मिलेगा correct answer is D. To pose the question to the whole class and then select somebody to answer. अब हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पर आते हैं. रिसर्च इज, so here correct option is D, data gathering, processing and analysis. 3. If you were reading a series of articles about the teaching of reading, you would expect to be reading an article by here A. Paul Mackey, B. Albert Harris, C. Arthur Gates or D. Frank Reisman. So correct option is D. Frank Reisman. 4. Of the following, the author of a widely used intelligence test is. Correct option is A. David Wessler. 5. Indian Institute of Science. नॉर्मली बोलने में बड़ा रिदमिक है. IISc बेंगलोर. तो कहाँ पर स्थित है ये? बेंगलोर में. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी. इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फॉरेन ट्रेड, दैट इज IFT न्यू दिल्ली. तो ये जगह के साथ ही बोला जाता है. इसको हम डायरेक्टली करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी, न्यू दिल्ली हम टिक कर सकते हैं. 7. नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इम्यूनोलॉजी इज सिचुएटेड इन. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए, दिल्ली. 8. A set of test papers from a class of 29 students has been arranged in order from the highest to the lowest scores. The mark on the 15th paper is known as the. Correct option is A, median. 9. Recreational reading should be A. reserved for the school library period. B. assigned as homework. C. a responsibility of the home, not the school. D. an integral part of the language arts curriculum. Correct option is D, an integral part of the language arts curriculum. 10. When Jeevan receives his failing test mark, he tells the teacher, "Don't like me." This is an example of A. identification, B. transference, C. egocentrism, or D. projection. The correct option is D, projection. 11. Of the following learning theories, the one that embodies the idea that learning takes place through insight is known as Gestalt. Correct option is A. 12. Overlearning tends to strengthen an individual's A. powers of retention, B. endurance, C. feeling of boredom, or D. motivation. Correct option is A. powers of retention. 13. How many Indian Institute of Technology are there in India? Here it is. जो ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं उसमें से A सही है 16, बट ये 16 नहीं है, अभी और ज़्यादा काफ़ी ज़्यादा खुल गए हैं. तो आपको करंट लिस्ट इनफैक्ट देख लेनी चाहिए गूगल करके, बट इस डेटा में A ही सही है. 14. हाउ मेनी इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट आर देयर इन इंडिया? अगेन हेयर जो डेटा दिया हुआ है उसके अनुसार A सही है, बट करंट लिस्ट इनफैक्ट देखनी चाहिए. 15. द थ्योरी ऑफ लर्निंग एसोसिएटेड विद connectionism was propounded by Thorndike. Correct option is C. 16. Evaluation in education insists on the following. Correct option is C. Insisting on clear-cut behavior of all objectives of teaching. 17. The main purpose of the first degree in our universities should be to. Correct option is A. bring students to frontiers of knowledge, and from there should be research. 18. A good communicator needs to be good at. Correct option is C. the use of language. 19. Which controls reflex action? Parasympathetic nervous system, that is PNS in short, is known as. So correct option is C, parasympathetic nervous system. 20. The idea of starting girls university in our country started in the year 1970. Correct option is C, with the opening of the SNDT University at Bombay. 21. The salary of the judges of the Supreme Court are charged on the Consolidated Fund of India because, correct option is D, their financial position may be secured to enable them to dispense impartial justice. 22. A member of the Union Public Service Commission holds, correct option is D, 6 years or until he attains the age of 65, whichever is earlier. 23. Adult education main objective is to, correct option is C, help adults achieve literacy along with its personal development. 24. The idea of sense training in the Monte method is based on the theory of transfer of training. Correct option is A. 25. Which of the following skills or qualities is most important for a researcher? Ability to work hard. Correct option is D. 26. The term manpower needs in any country requires the, correct option is A, people should be educated in accordance with specified jobs requirements. 27. Spinal nerves are usually efferent. Correct option is B. 28. A mixed cranial nerve is, here A, facial, B, abducens, C, auditory, D, oculomotor. Correct option is C, auditory. 29. Man is superior to other animals mainly due to, correct option is D, front eyes. 30. Vocationalization of education has the object of, correct option is A, preparing students for a vocation along with knowledge. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass on to others those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.